The 1990 Ford Mustang LX is a true gem from the Fox Body era, offering a blend of performance, simplicity, and customization potential. As one of the most popular Mustangs of its time, it provided an affordable yet powerful option for enthusiasts looking for a well-balanced muscle car. Whether as a coupe, hatchback, or convertible, the LX variant stood out with its clean styling, lightweight design, and impressive powertrain choices. Under the hood, the Mustang LX came with multiple engine options, but the most desirable was the legendary 5.0-liter V8. This high-output engine produced 225 horsepower and 300 pounds-ft of torque, delivering strong acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. Paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic transmission, the Mustang LX could launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 6 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars in its class at the time. Its rear-wheel drive, setup, and well-tuned suspension made it a favorite for drag racers and road racers alike. The exterior design of the 1990 Mustang LX was sleek and simple, featuring smooth body lines, a clean front grille, and minimal badging. Unlike the GT model, which had aggressive ground effects and scoops, the LX had a more understated appearance, making it a sleeper on the streets. Available in various eye-catching colors, the Mustang LX allowed buyers to personalize their ride while maintaining its timeless look. The lightweight design also contributed to its strong performance and handling. Inside, the cabin was driver-focused, featuring supportive bucket seats, a straightforward dashboard layout, and analog gauges for essential driving information. The materials were durable, and optional upgrades like power windows, premium audio, and air conditioning added to its comfort. Despite its simplicity, the Mustang LX provided a comfortable and engaging driving experience, making it a great choice for daily driving or weekend fun. One of the biggest advantages of the 1990 Mustang LX was its modification potential. With a robust aftermarket scene, owners could easily upgrade performance components, suspension, and styling to create a truly personalized machine. Whether used for drag racing, autocross, or street performance, the Mustang LX had endless possibilities for enthusiasts. Even decades later, the 1990 Mustang LX remains an icon of the muscle car world. Its balance of power, affordability, and modifiability makes it a highly sought-after classic. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth car reviews, features, and industry updates.